A major snowstorm is coming to the United States this week into the beginning of the upcoming work week. While Winter Storm Iggy advances east and drops snow over the Great Lakes and Northeast, a new and potentially more intense storm will be in the making. Latest model guidance is suggesting that an area of heavy snow will move into parts of Kansas, Colorado, and New Mexico on Saturday. This snow looks to be heavy, which is why the National Weather Service has posted winter storm watches for the area. The snow will then spread across Kansas on Saturday afternoon, before shifting into the upper Midwest on Saturday night. By this point, the system will be lacking moisture, so the snow over the Great Lakes looks to be generally light and sporadic. That changes on Sunday when Gulf moisture is able to get pulled north, causing some heavier snow to begin falling over Ohio. The storm will then spread heavy rain along the eastern seaboard on Sunday night into Monday, with heavy snow across the interior Northeast. The rain and snow will become very heavy on Monday, as the development of a bomb cyclone begins. While very heavy rain falls along the coast, blizzard conditions may be ongoing in the interior Northeast. The storm should quickly clear out by late on Monday night. So how much snow could fall? Well, this storm is still a few days away from occurring, so snowfall totals are a little bit uncertain right now. Forecast confidence is a little higher in the mountains and central United States. A swath of mountain snow is expected from Idaho and Nevada down into Colorado and New Mexico. Heaviest snow is expected in the higher mountain peaks in Nevada, Utah, Arizona, New Mexico, and Colorado. An area of moderate to heavy snow is expected to fall over the central high plains, in southeast Colorado and western Kansas. A widespread 3 to 5 inches looks possible in the blue shade, with 6 inches or more in the purple and pink. The storm will become moisture-starved over the upper Midwest and Great Lakes, leading to much smaller snow accumulations. According to the National Weather Service, it's looking like about a dusting to a few inches of snow will extend from central Kansas into Michigan. And now for the snow in the Northeast. One important factor to note is the remarkable agreement within the models. Some of the most well-known long-range models, including the GFS, European, and Canadian, all agree on just about the same scenario. All of these models show a low-pressure system moving up the eastern seaboard, bringing very heavy rain to the I-95 corridor, and possibly blizzard conditions farther inland. Adjustments to the forecast are expected as models shift around in the coming days, but this is roughly what we may be looking at in regards to snow. As you can see, we may be looking at a widespread heavy snow event for the interior Northeast. If current model guidance comes to fruition, then a swath of extremely heavy snow may set up somewhere between eastern New York State through central Maine. It is a narrow corridor, so any shifts in the track of the storm could push this heavy snow north or south. One last thing I would like to briefly review is the expected precipitation accumulation. This storm looks like it will produce heavy rain along the east coast, and especially along the I-95 corridor. The heaviest rain looks possible in southeast New England, where 1 to 2 inches of precipitation may fall. This may lead to some flooding concerns, so stay tuned for updates. And that's all for this video. We have much to figure out in the upcoming days, so please subscribe to this channel for updates on this potentially highly impactful storm.